Ganesh, how are you? Good afternoon, Ganesh. How are you?
And thank you, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
I am doing good. Thank you so much. How was your day?
Ma'am, it is normal.
Okay. What did you do since the morning?
Ma'am, I took a bath. I did my breakfast. These things only.
Okay, great. Okay. Have you done your homework? What was the homework, by the way? First of all, have
Ma'am,
you
I
downloaded
did
the
not did that thing.
why?
Ma'am, because I didn't remember.
That was something that you have to do on daily basis. So how did you not remember it?
Which one are you saying?
Which one are you talking about? I'm talking about the writing and the reading thing which I have provided.
Ma'am, I'm doing that thing. But yesterday you gave me that you have to do that words we did in the, you can say, Wednesday class.
Arish, if you are not going to do your homework, then I'm really sorry. I have to let your dad know that please don't expect from trainers that the vocabulary and the level you want from your child will be improved. Because like you know also it's not one way thing. हम पढ़ा के छोड़ देंगे आपको भी करना पड़ता है सामने, right? It's not one way
Yes, ma'am.
thing. You have to do it. Class में you feel ma'am it's boring. I don't want to do it. Gharpe, if I give you, you forget about doing it. Then I cannot. I mean, इससे ज़्यादा I cannot do anything. You are not even a little child that I can scold you and I can ask you to do it compulsorily. कि करो ही करो करो ही करो. If you are
Yes.
not willing to do it, then I'm really sorry. I can't even help it out. I need to have a
Yesterday only I forgot, but today I will do the homework you give me.
yes. I also need to talk to your dad about the same thing. So if Coco, no, if possible, if your dad is around, can you please call him if possible?
Wait.
Hello.
Anjuna,
Uh,
hello.
Hi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Yes, tell me.
Yes. So, sir, actually, like we had a word few days back that you are satisfied with how the spoken is doing with Kanishk, but you want him to, upgrade to a certain level now. So, the thing is, after the classes, I have started teaching him the, explorer level key vocabulary, wherein he can substitute certain words with certain words so that his vocabulary would be improved. Thing is, he's not enjoying that. Kanish feel that it's boring, and ma'am, what is the use? Why do we have to do it? Why can't we just use the normal words? The thing is that first we did idioms and all, then yeah, few. I guess in the last class I taught him certain words. For example, we had the whole chart. जैसे कि said है तो उसके there were 12 substitute words. I explained him when to
Saw that.
use which
I
one.
saw
Yeah.
that.
Yes, yes. So that was the thing. He even felt that is boring. So I told him, okay, I'm giving you in the homework, do it in the homework. Now he is not even doing the homework. So my question is that how should I approach to him now? Because you are parent, you know it in better way how I should approach him. Because as far as I know, as far as I have noticed, only things related to YouTube, things related to games. These certain things are only of his interest. If we talk about anything else to him, वो कनिष्क को फिर boring लगने लगता है कि मैम I'm not having interest in the class that much. No doubt he is being very honest. ऐसा नहीं कि वो
Yeah,
आप मार के बिठा दे रहे हो और he is studying. It's not like this. He'll be very honest that ma'am I'm not having the interest in the class. This seems little bit boring. We have a certain thing, we follow that curriculum and we go with that flow only. So a student is not enjoying the class, that is the concern. So I need your advice that what do you think would interest him, how should I approach him in the further classes now? Because जितना
so
जो आपका पहले का जो था goal that he should be fluent, he should not pause in between. So with the basic level of English, he is very good with it now. He doesn't take
got it.
pauses. He's very fluent. He speaks nicely, fluently. That's all. but now you want कि उसकी vocabulary भी अच्छी हो जाए. He speaks, but he speaks very
Absolutely.
polished. His language should be very
Yes.
polished. Yeah. So I want you to advise me certain thing. How should I approach
So
it?
first of all, you are the teacher. You should know better than me. But definitely, I can advise you, and give you a couple of suggestions. One, you can also talk about, like you used to already, the holidays he has done, the one you have already covered, and the kind of words he has to use in day-to-day life. Like you will have to give you imaginary things, because in some cases he does not know the meaning, to use what kind of word he needs to use. Like gaadi ki takkar ho gayi, so what do you call that? So if two cars are getting clashed, तो वो सारी चीजें इसको बतानी पड़ेगी, otherwise he will never learn those things. And he also has an opportunity to talk to foreigners, because he has
Yes,
one.
yes, yes, yes.
I
He
have
told
told
me.
him, try talking to those people. Don't share any personal info, but at least you can try talking to them for the game and on the topic of the game. Apart from that, if you are teaching him any vocab, go slow, then only he will enjoy. Like you did idioms, he really loved that. For idioms, he said it is boring, but after a couple of days, he used it 4 or 5 times in the last 6 or 7 days. So he liked it. He said कि पापा छोटा सा लिखते हैं और इसका मीनिंग कितना मस्त होता है, बड़ा मजा आता है. So he really enjoys that. So idioms you can add more. He wants to know more idioms. It is not like कि बहुत सारा एक साथ करा दो, थोड़ा थोड़ा कराओ, and ask him to did you use it or not.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's
Ask
what we
about
do.
yeah. So as today he was asking me, he keeps asking questions to me. He asked me what is FAQs. Then I told him FAQs क्या होते हैं. If there are frequently asked questions,
Questions.
so a lot of websites, yeah, a lot of websites keep their FAQs, जो कि बहुत सारे लोग क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं, कॉल करेंगे, इससे बढ़िया वहीं पढ़ लो. So it's easy. But when I asked him what is the full form of FAQs, then he forgets. Then he says कि पापा meaning पता चल गया. But you also should know. F for frequently, A for ask, Q for question. So you can keep the momentum on the vocal on the like 70 to 80%, but on the learning part of vocab, or it can be other stuff like idioms, that can be 30%. So that he does not get bored, he's enjoying his classes as well as he's learning something new. So that's what I can say.
Yeah, vacation and things like that. If we discuss, he'll be like, "Ma'am, I don't remember. I was very young when we went. It's like so many years that we went. Now I don't remember." That I can understand. So that is why I asked you, कि we follow certain things. I noticed that he has interest in these things. Otherwise, he feels bored. He feels he has lack of knowledge in it. He couldn't give his insight that much the way it should be. So that's why I asked you that you are father, you live with him, you know your word, of
Yeah.
course, better than us, right? So you advise me certain things. So yeah, I'll definitely work on these things now. We'll be doing these things. I guess we will be moving with the verb table only that I have told you कि आप आपके मम्मा अभी गुस्सा कर रहे हैं आपके you broke the glass, your mom is angry at you. So how you'll say that? Usually he'll just say that my mom very angrily told me that not to do this. But instead of
Yes.
that, use the word yell. That my mom yelled at me, or जब भी मम्मा गुस्सा करते हैं या कोई भी
Yes.
गुस्सा करते
Yes.
हैं तो
So
say
you need to,
stop
yes,
yelling at me.
he should
Yeah.
correct. He should use those words as well. So instead of using the normal words, now he needs to up his level, one level up.
Exactly,
Yeah. So
exactly.
keep doing that.
Yeah, we were doing that in the last class, but I guess we have what 12 to 15 normal verbs that we use in day-to-day life. For example, ate, ran, learned, saw, फिर
Yeah.
said. We have verbs like that, so I guess we'll be doing that. The words जो है ना वो I'm sure he had never heard of them before because they are the British English words. So
Got it.
yeah, so
He's very
I'll
good when he uses, and whenever he utilizes those words, then he remembers quickly.
yeah
You need to practically ask him to use it.
that is what we do.
It
That
is
is
with him.
what
I
we
have
do.
seen.
मैं समझाती हूँ कि see when the situation is like this you have to use this word, situation is like this you have to use this word. We did the exact same thing in idioms. That is why he now know how to practically use the idioms in day-to-day life. Under what situation you have to use the idiom,
Yes,
right? So we are doing the same thing in the work only,
absolutely. So keep
but
going that. Yes.
please keep a check that he is also doing the same at home, referring to those words, because those are the words, they are of the British English. Okay, so they are quite tough to remember. You don't
Yeah.
remember once you are done with it, right? You have to keep revising it for a brief period of time, let's say. So keep a check
Understood. So
on
in
him.
that case, you can give him like two words daily. Like Kanish, you have to use these two words today. Look for the situation, wait for it. Otherwise, just pretend and say it to your dad, mom, or whatever your friends. At least use it. The way he is using idioms at home now, you need to tell him कि बेटा दो तो use कर ही सकते हो. दो use करो, because once he starts putting those words into his sentences, तब उसके mind से जाता नहीं है. वो permanently he remembers it.
Yes,
Subconscious mind में आ जाता है.
I have sent the chart to him. I have asked him to download. I'll again send it today if possible. Just download it.
He has
Uh,
seen it. He told me, Papa, it is a ongoing practice. It is not that I have to do it once. He showed me those verbs and all. Then he said, I have seen it and I'll keep looking at it. So that is what he told me. It was not a homework for like one day. He has to do it for a couple of days.
yes, yes, yes. That is the thing we are doing. Okay, okay, yeah. All my doubts are solved. Thank you so much. Do you have anything to
Okay, so you
say?
can nothing as such now, but you can always call me like this, and it is always better for his improvisation.
Yes, yes, yes,
Okay,
yeah. Yeah. Thank you. Have a nice
thank you
day.
so much.
Yeah.
Okay, same to you.
Work hard, play hard. What do you play hard, Kanishk? Work hard, play hard. Work hard, play hard. What do you play hard? Your games? Hello? Can you hear me? I cannot hear you. Hello? Hello?
Ma'am, are you able to hear me?
Hello? Kanish, try to rejoin. I cannot hear you.
Hear me now?
Hello?
Can you hear me now?
Your voice is very low. Can you try to
Hello.
rejoin once?
Okay.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am, I can hear you.
Okay, yes, yes, yes. Chalo, better. Okay. Chalo, tell me. Sorry. Tell me, what have you written in the homework?
Mm,
Hmm.
ma'am, but
Yes.
yesterday I have not completed that. You can say I have written one page only, but today I will write the second page also. The first page is not print, but this page is
So
print.
have you read something? Have you read something?
No, ma'am, because it was not a reading day. That's why.
Thursday is reading day.
Oh, yesterday was Thursday. So okay, ma'am. Today, when I will complete this thing, I will read this only.
Hmm. Okay, chalo. Okay. Let's continue with this verb thing only because it's quite a big thing. मतलब
Why?
बहुत.
Ma'am,
It's
what is going?
huh?
What is going?
Quite नहीं quite
Oh,
Quite
quite,
quite.
quite.
It's
Oh,
quite a long thing, like long process. Let's
mummy,
do.
mummy.
Hello.
Ma'am, please wait a second. I want to drink water. Can I drink?
हाँ आप भी पी लो मैं भी पी लेती हूँ मम्मी तो पानी नहीं बॉटल भरी छे मारी आपने
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so last time in the last class we have done SED, right? SID SED, right?
Then we have done till sprint.
Oh yes,
I
we have
sprinted.
done. Ran also we have done. It's ran past tense.
Yes,
ये
ma'am.
जितने
No,
भी है
ma'am. Not the whole part of ran. We did it till
till sprinted.
sprinted.
Okay, but today we'll be
Yeah.
continuing with looked because ran तो हम कभी कभी यूज करते हैं right in our day to day life. इतना तो हम भागते
Yeah.
हैं नहीं, घर में कहाँ भागेंगे. We use said, right? We use said in our day to day life. We use looked तो हम use करते ही करते. We use it very often now. Okay. So
Yes.
instead of look, you have 12 different words here. Okay, 12 different words. Now all of them means all of them mean the same thing, to look at something, but the mood,
The word.
हाँ, the mood of this word in the sense कौन से sense में कौन सा word use करना है, that is different. The mood of each word do you see here is different. For example, looked मतलब देखना, right? देखना. Looked का basic meaning is देखना. Now the first word, if you see gazed, what do you, चलो you tell me, what do you know about gazed? आपको क्या लगता है gazed का मतलब क्या होगा? What do you think the word gaze? What?
Ma'am, together? I think so.
No. Gazed मतलब क्या? आप किसी चीज को देख रहे हो लेकिन बहुत प्यार से. You are looking at something for a long period of time but with very love and affection. इसका मतलब भी देखना हुआ. Okay, look, gaze मतलब भी to look at something, but understand the mood. जब आप किसी चीज को प्यार से affectionately देखते हो, that is known as gazed. Okay, for example, the little child was gazing the sky at night. राइट, यू लुक वेरी स्टेडीली. आप एकदम एक ही नजर से देख रहे हो लेकिन आप ऐसे घूर नहीं रहे हो. अंडरस्टैंड द डिफरेंस. घूरना होता है ना, आप किसी चीज को घूर रहे हो कब से, दैट इज नोन एज स्टेयरिंग. ओके, उसको स्टेयर कहते हैं. गेज्ड मतलब क्या? गेज मतलब क्या? यू आर लुकिंग एट समथिंग steadily for a long period of time, but the in your eyes there is love and there is affection. आप किसी चीज को प्यार से affectionately देख रहे हो for a long period of time, that is gazing.
Okay.
Like you can say the mom was gazing at her son, or the mom was gazing at her baby. So gaze, this is the past form ed. The main form is gaze, gaze. Understood?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, try to make a sentence. जी,
My mother always.
देखो GAZE भी आप यूज कर सकते हो. यू कैन चेंज इट. ओके, पास्ट है तो गेज, प्रेजेंट है तो गेज, फ्यूचर है तो विल गेज, और एल्स अभी हो रहा है, इट इज हैपनिंग राइट नाउ, तो गेजिंग. So you can change the form of the verb according to your necessary, according to the sentence necessity.
So,
But
ma'am, I will make a sentence like my mother always gaze at me.
my mother always gazed at me with love and affection. You can say it that way also.
Okay.
Or else you can say, whenever I feel bored or whenever I feel not doing like anything, I go on my terrace and I gaze at the stars or at the sky. Do you like to do that thing? छत पे बैठ के सिर्फ स्काई को देखना अच्छा लगता है आपको?
Ma'am, not liking see the sky, but we play cricket on the terrace sometimes.
Oh, I saw the vlog of your dad.
Okay.
Yes. मुझे बस आपके डैड के और आपके मम्मा के ही आते हैं नोटिफिकेशन, आपके ही नहीं आते. योर मॉम मेड.
Ma'am, because these days I am not uploading videos because YouTube is saying that they will disable this channel also, and because I am not having anything to upload, that so I am just uploading games video in between. That's only the thing. I'm not uploading vlogs.
Okay, I saw your mom's दही आलू की सब्जी वाला वीडियो and उसके पहले और नहीं उसके बाद I saw your dad's आलू डे वाला वीडियो.
Aloo re. Okay.
Yes, he made a vlog na. Subah there were aloo parathe, then there was this aloo ki sabzi, and you guys played cricket, and your mom hit the ball and ball niche chala gaya tha, and then you asked some guy to throw it on your terrace, but he threw it some other direction only. है ना वही ना? Yes, yes, yes. I saw that vlog. अच्छा. Hmm. Next is glanced. What do you think? Glanced. Glance.
Glanced.
Socho. It's very easy, simple.
Ma'am, beautiful.
No, glance मतलब वो हिंदी में हम कहते हैं ना एक झलक दिखना. मतलब एक झलक में ही देखना. In the sense मैं ऐसे बैठी हूँ और पीछे से किसी ने ऐसे देख के चला गया. तुरंत ऐसे देख के चले जाना. एकदम कम टाइम के लिए लाइक 1-2 सेकंड के लिए आपको दिखाई देना और फिर चले जाना. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई ग्लांस्ड एट द शूटिंग स्टार तो कितना होता है 2 सेकंड में तो वो चले जाता है आके राइट. वेरी शॉर्ट पीरियड ऑफ टाइम व्हेन यू लुक एट समथिंग एंड देन इट्स गॉन इट्स नोन एज ग्लांस्ड. ओके जैसे कि शी ग्लांस्ड एट हर व्हाइल शी वाज डूइंग हर होमवर्क. मतलब उसने सिर्फ 2-3 मिनट के लिए देखा उसको जब वो अपना होमवर्क कर रही थी. तो ग्लांस मीन्स के थोड़े टाइम तक वेरी ब्रीफली यू सी समथिंग एंड देन इट्स गॉन. अंडरस्टूड?
Yes, ma'am.
पता चला. वो हम कहते हैं
Or
ना
how
एक
like
झलक. हाँ, not even minutes, sometimes even for seconds,
ma'am,
sometimes
I'm
even
saying 1 to 2 seconds. Or 1 to 6 minutes.
हाँ minutes भी it's correct, sometimes it's seconds, sometimes it's minute, both are correct, but you understand the meaning right. आप
But
ऐसे बैठ के
1 minute is a longer time.
yes, you just don't say it and you just don't look at that thing that's wrong. You can say, my mom has asked me not to touch the prasad, which was for the god, for the puja, but I sneakily glanced at it. मतलब कि मैंने छुप छुप के देख लिया. पता चला आपको? The meaning of the
Yes, ma'am.
sentence, the mood of the sentence. Yes. So glanced मतलब छुप छुप के भी नहीं, वो एक झलक देखने को कहते हैं ना हम हिंदी में, उसको हम glanced कहते हैं. That is known as glance.
Okay.
Okay. Then studied. What do you understand by the word studied? Studied in the sense देखना, हाँ, not like पढ़ाई करना. Studied in देखना मतलब
Oh, its spelling is also different.
yes, but the meaning is something which I guess you can figure it out by yourself.
No, ma'am, I don't know.
Okay, studied मतलब suppose आपको यूजुअली ये वर्ड है ना जब कोई आप इंस्पेक्शन कर रहे हो ना, जासूसी इंस्पेक्शन कर रहे हो, तब यू यूज दिस वर्ड मोर. वी डोंट यूज दिस इन डे टू डे लाइफ. वी यूज इट व्हेन यू आर इंस्पेक्टिंग समथिंग. इंस्पेक्शन चल रहा हो, आप किसी चीज की जांच कर रहे हो, तब आप ये वर्ड स्टडीड ज्यादा यूज करते हो. लाइक यू नो आई हैव
Like in
स्टडीड.
crime scene, inspection is going on.
Yes. Suppose dead body पड़ी हुई है, okay? You have to look for the bullet in it, कि bullet कहाँ पे है. So how will doctor say? जब वो देख के बाहर आएंगे तो he'll say, I have studied the body. The bullet was in the heart of the patient. मतलब मैंने पूरी body देखी. उन्होंने एक्चुअली तो देखी नहीं है ना, उन्होंने पूरी इंस्पेक्ट की है, उन्होंने पूरी जांच की है बॉडी में. वेर इज वॉट. सो ही हैज बेसिकली स्टडीड द होल बॉडी. मतलब उन्होंने पूरी बॉडी की जांच की है. ही हैड इंस्पेक्टेड द होल बॉडी. देन ही केम टू नो दैट द बुलेट वाज इन द हार्ट ऑफ द पेशेंट. अंडरस्टूड?
Yes, ma'am.
So basically, this term is used for medical purposes and for the inspection purposes. We don't use it in day-to-day life. हम तो कुछ study वडी करते ही नहीं है. We तो just look things, we gaze at things, we stare at things. We don't study anything. मतलब in that way. So this term is used when you are doing something related to medical purposes or you are related to some inspection. At that time you use this word. पता चला?
Yes, ma'am.
Then come the word stared. Stared तो आपको पता ही होगा.
Stared. No, ma'am. Ma'am, from where do you get these words?
I have made this by myself. No, I have not made this. We are provided with all this, but I use this word. मैं हर एक word instead मैं stare बहुत ज़्यादा use करती हूँ, मैं gazed बहुत ज़्यादा use करती हूँ, glance बहुत ज़्यादा use करती हूँ, viewed बहुत ज़्यादा, observed, watched, inspected, noticed. I don't use the word studied, spied, and inspected that much. उसके अलावा I use all of these words on day-to-day life.
But I know the meaning of notice, that you saw something and you thought about that thing.
Yes, that is noticed. Yes.
Notice.
Like I can say I have noticed the change of behavior in you, Kanish. Like मैंने देखा, मैंने उसको observe किया, उसके बाद I am giving you an example. मैंने देखा, मैंने observe किया, मैंने उसके बाद आपको बताया. That is basically known as notice. आपने कुछ notice किया. That is notice. Then what stared? Stared मतलब क्या? घूरना. पता है वो गेम होती है. Who will blink their eyes first? Staring game, आपको
Yes,
या
ma'am.
पता हो तो, if you know the staring game, that is basically what you have to look into someone for a very long time without blinking your eyes, like that is known as staring. आपको कोई घूर रहा होता है, that is basically staring. Like stop staring at me, why are you
Yes,
staring at me like that? That is staring. Then the word watched. Now watched मतलब क्या? What do you think? What does watched means? Mean?
Watching TV, watching games videos, watching vlogs, watching something else. Watching a
Yes.
challenge video.
Yes, so it's basically you are, it's a one way thing. आप किसी चीज को देख रहे हो और वो चीज it's on the screen. You are not watch, you are, or it's on the मतलब you cannot correspond to that thing. For example, if you're watching something on television, you say something. Will the person inside the TV correspond to you? No, it won't correspond to you. It would, उनको तो पता भी नहीं चलेगा that you said something, right? If you are watching a drama, okay, in a theater, you commented something, आप कुछ बोल रहे हो, आपने कुछ comment किया, is that person going to reply you? No, he is not going to reply because he doesn't even know what you have commented, right? So basically watch मतलब क्या कि when you are looking at some act, जो एक्ट चल रहा है, कुछ चल रहा है, आप उसको देख रहे हो, एंड द कॉरेस्पॉन्डेंस इज ओनली वन वे. समटाइम्स नॉट इवन दैट, कभी कभी तो हम कुछ देखते तो हम कुछ कमेंट भी नहीं करते, वी जस्ट वॉच इट, वी जस्ट टर्न ऑफ आवर टेलीविजन, वी गो टू स्लीप, वी डोंट इवन डिस्कस इट इफ इट्स यू नो नॉर्मल बेसिक, डजंट इवन मैटर जैसा कोई शो होता है तब. तब we don't even say anything. We just watch, turn off the TV, go to sleep. We do it that way, right? So basically, watching means what? When you are seeing something on television, it's an act. वो जो चीज़ है वो act हो रही है. It's not something that जहाँ पे correspondence होगा. Like if I say I was watching you from far, okay, I was watching you from far. You can even use the word I was staring at you from the far because you know मैं तो तुम्हें देख ही रहा था, right? You can even say अगर तुम मुझे गंदी नजर से देख रहे हो, तुम मुझे ऐसे कोई चालाकी नजर से देख रहे हो, कनिंग नजर से, तो you can use the word stare, that I was staring at you from the far. अगर तुम मुझे सिर्फ देख रहे हो, कुछ भी सोच नहीं रहे हो, सिर्फ चुपचाप ऐसे देख रहे हो, तो वॉच, आई वॉज वॉचिंग यू फ्रॉम फार. अगर तुम मुझे ऑब्जर्व कर रहे हो, मेरी हरकतों को ऑब्जर्व कर रहे हो कि भव्या कैसे खा रही है, कैसे पी रहे, तो यू विल से आई वॉज ऑब्जर्विंग यू फ्रॉम द फार. ठीक है, आपको पता चल रहा है डिफरेंस ऑफ द मूड्स.
Yes, ma'am.
अगर तुम मुझे प्यार से देख रहे
The
हो,
word is for looked only, but the meaning, the
mood.
word you have to, the word you have to use in the sentence. You
Is-
have to use this sentence in a other. Sorry, you have to use this word in the sentence it is connected to.
Yes. अगर देखो, if you are looking at me with love and affection, तो you will say I was gazing at you. मतलब मैं तुम्हें दूर से प्यार भरी नजरों से देख रहा था, right? अगर तुम बुरे में कुछ नोटिस कर रहे हो कि हाँ पहले भव्या अपने वेस्ट पे हाथ नहीं रखती थी, बट अब वो अपने वेस्ट पे हाथ रख के खड़ी रहती. सो बेसिकली यू आर व्हाट, नोटिसिंग माय एक्शंस, नोटिसिंग माय बॉडी लैंग्वेज, राइट. पता चला. वी डिड व्हाट, गेज्ड, मैंने आपको उसका एग्जांपल दिया. ग्लांस, अगर आप मुझे ऐसे देख के ही चले गए, आप चलते चलते जा रहे हो और आपकी एक नजर पड़ी मेरे पे एंड फिर आप वापस से चलते चलते जा रहे हो. सो बेसिकली यू ग्लांस्ड एट मी, यू हैड अ ग्लांस ऑफ मी, राइट. आपको मेरी एक झलक दिखाई दी. So that is what it is. Gazed, glanced, observed, stared, noticed. This is how you use the words. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
पता चल रहा है ना आपको?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Then spied. What do you mean by the word spied? I was spying at you.
Yes, ma'am. Spying. Me and my friend Kavi sometimes play spy game in our house
मतलब
only.
छुप छुप के देखने का, छुप छुप के ढूंढने का, right?
Yes, ma'am. Like my mother and father and my chachu chachi, Kavi's father and mother are talking. So we come and spy and then go, then plan something again, like playing a game normally.
That is basically what you spied at your parents. मतलब you saw
Yes, ma'am.
something छुप छुप के in a sneaky manner. Sneaky means छुप छुप के. You saw something in the sneaky manner. So basically you are spying at them. You spied at them. Understood?
Hmm.
पता चला?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. तो picked मतलब भी same meaning. Spied and picked are both same thing. पिक मतलब कि आप ऊपर ऊपर से ऐसे 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 करके देख रहे हो. स्पाई में क्या होता है कि आप नहीं दिखाई देते, वो इंसान को नहीं पता कि आप उन्हें छुप छुप के देख रहे हो, राइट. लाइक व्हेन योर mom and dad and your uncle and aunt are sitting and you and Kavi spy at them, they don't know that you guys are spying at them, right? They don't know this thing that you guys are spying at them. But picking means what? They know कि आप ऐसे छुप छुप के देख रहे हो. They know and they can even see you कि ऐसे छुप छुप के देख रहे हो. So see, when you and Kavi are spying at your father and mother and your uncle and aunt, you think that you guys are spying. Okay, तुम लोग को लग रहा है कि तुम spy कर रहे हो. You guys are spying. But your mom and your dad can see it. And what will they say? Okay, Kanesh, stop peeking through the window or stop peeking through the door. मतलब छुप छुप के देखना बंद करो विंडो से, छुप छुप के देखना बंद करो डोर से. So are you understanding the meaning difference of spy and pick? Spy मतलब आप छुप छुप के देख रहे हो, उन्हें नहीं पता कि आप देख रहे हो. पीक मतलब आप छुप छुप के देख रहे हो लेकिन उन्होंने देख लिया कि ऐसे छुप छुप के नजरें डाल ही रहे हैं मेरे पे. So that is basically what peek and spy is. Okay, the difference is this. Understood?
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Okay. क्या बचा हमारा अब? Viewed मतलब you view something, like I view your post. मैंने आपकी post देखी थी. I had
I viewed
viewed.
your YouTube video.
Yes, I have viewed your many. I have watched actually. I've watched my.
Yeah, what a sentence to me.
Yeah, view and watched are also kind of same. Inspected and examined are same. आप examine कर रहे हो मतलब that is also. Studied and examined are basically same. Sorry, studied and examined are basically same. आप किसी चीज को examine कर रहे हो मतलब आप किसी चीज को study कर रहे हो. See, I'll be very honest. Examined जो है वो हम इतना use नहीं करते. Studied है वो हम इतना use नहीं करते.
Like you study literature, sorry.
I study literature, correct. But that is not how you use when you want to say it in the context of look.
Hmm.
Okay. What words that we use in day-to-day life? Gazed,
Yes.
glanced,
Last.
picked, stared,
Take.
stared, watched, noticed,
Watched.
noticed.
Noticed.
I guess observed or नहीं observe हम इतना नहीं करते. Viewed, spied.
Sometimes.
Yeah, spy. So we use words like this in our day-to-day life. Okay. Now choose any three words out of this which you think you can make sentences out of.
From which words I have to make sentences?
Any three words that you like to.
Okay. So first, noticed. I noticed that I noticed that you are playing a lot of game in a day.
Okay. Hmm.
Second, spied. Okay, spied will be today I spied my neighbor.
Okay.
Third, observed. I observed that today you are only studying.
Very good. Very good. Nice.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
these
Three
are the
words.
three words. Yes. These are the three words that you have chosen for yourself, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Spied, observed, and what was the third one?
Past.
Huh?
No, noticed. Noticed.
Oh, notice was the word. Okay. Now you have to use these three words in your spoken today. Okay. For 24 hours, you have
In the day, I have to use these words for a time.
yes, you have to use this in your day-to-day life while speaking. You have to use this. You have to make sure that context जो मैंने आपको समझाया, right? I have explained
And
you.
sometimes I say that notice word.
Hmm. Now try to use observed also. Try to use gazed, glanced, said, watched.
Please.
कभी कभी बहुत this is the mistake which almost each and every student of mine does कि ma'am I see cartoons on my TV, I see movies on my TV. You don't have to use the word see, you have to use the word watch,
Watch.
right? So even you used to do the same mistake, I'll be very honest. You also used to do the same mistake, sometimes you still do. So make sure कि अब आप सी मत बोलो, अब आप बोलो मैम आई हैव वॉच्ड और मैम आई विल वॉच और मैम आई वॉच मूवीज
I
एवरी डे.
watch.
हाँ
No,
use the
ma'am. You can say I watch also.
हाँ हाँ. So use this
I will
kind.
watch. I watch. I had watch. No.
हाँ I
I did
watch.
watch.
हाँ. तो यूज दिस काइंड ऑफ वर्ड्स. आपको कंटेक्ट समझ आ गया कौन सा वर्ड कौन से एक्सप्रेशन और मूड के साथ आपको यूज करना है. तो ट्राई टू सब्स्टिट्यूट देम एंड ट्राई टू यूज इट प्रैक्टिकल इन योर डे टू डे लाइफ. ओके.
Okay.
ओके. डाउट्स, क्वेरीज?
No.
श्योर.
Yep.
Okay then. I will see you on Monday.
On Monday.
Yes. Till then, take care. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Have a nice day.
You too.